welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be opening up my brand new iPad. This is the iPad 10th generation, 64 gig in the color silver. By now you guys probably have already seen me use this on my channel or somewhere on my social media. This will not be a very aesthetically pleasing unboxing, but better yet, just me unboxing my new baby. So I had an iPad when I was in undergrad, like 2012, 2013, 2014, and you guys, I used that thing every day. I took notes in it for class, was always browsing online. It was a very useful product. And then one day, I cannot remember why, but I just stopped using it. I think it like stopped updating, things like that. So I was just like, forget about it. So recently, I have been using my cell phone way more than what I would usually use it for, and it's an iPhone X, right? Y'all, when I tell you this thing has been slowing down on me, and I've been getting so many notifications like you can upgrade, but they want me to like trade in the phone. And I don't know about y'all, but like I paid over $1,000 for this thing. Why would I mean, it was in installment payments, but that's not the point. The point is, why would I give you guys every phone that I paid for just to get a new one? No, I just paid for this one. How about you make the phones reasonably priced, right? Reasonably priced, and then that way I can get another phone. Anyway, that's neither here nor there. Okay, I said all I had to say. I said, you know what, for Christmas, well, actually for my birthday, I'm gonna buy myself an iPad. And y'all, as I'm doing this editing of the video, I mean, I've been had the iPad like unboxed and I've been using it. You guys, this is like the best decision I've made in a very long time, okay? When I tell you I carry this thing with me everywhere, I carry it like it's a second cell phone. Like I'm on my iPad more than I am on my cell phone. Like, again, I'm constantly always browsing online or shopping online, or I use it for my digital planner. I use it just to plan my to-do list for every single day. Like, I'm a really organized person. Hint, hint, I'm a paralegal. So I have to have my like to-do list organized. And not only do I have to have it organized, I need it to be in the direction, or I need it to be organized in a way so that I'm doing it like, okay, first I want to brush my teeth, and then I want to do this, and then I want to do that, I want to do that. Like, yes, I put brushing my teeth on my to-do list. So I think you should too. It's really important. But anyway, I think I'm going to stop talking here. I'm going to, let you guys keep enjoying this video. It shouldn't be that long. Just a cute little, unboxing, getting it all set up here. And I am showing you guys like step-by-step process of entering all the information and all that good stuff. Y'all, terms and conditions, we just hit that agree button. Girl, I don't be knowing what I'm agreeing to. It could be like, all right, girl, all your paychecks, if you win the lottery, the sweepstakes, it come to me. You already agreed. And I'll be like, well, dang, I did, because I bought an iPad on this day at this time. But no. Seriously, you guys, I think that's the most part as far as the opening up goes. And now we're going to get into all of my products. So I got this paper film protective screen. Now, I usually get the glass-like protective screen. That's what I have on my cell phone. But again, you guys, I use my iPad for everything. So I got the paper film to go with my pen that you guys will see later. But y'all, this was like, again, one of the best decisions. It feels like I'm writing on paper, literally, okay? I also made a journal because I like to journal. I don't know about you guys. I like to journal so much that I have 2 journals like wrote up already of stuff. And you can't, once you write it down on paper, like I will have to rip out every piece of paper and shred it. I can't just throw away the journal. It's too much hot, juicy mess in there, right? But at least as I, made a journal on my GoodNotes app, once I'm through with the journal, I can just delete it. You know what I'm saying? I can just delete it and it'll go away. Just wipe it clean with the iPad, it'll be gone. Versus throwing away your journal and then people having all your life tea at disposal, right? But anyway, so yeah, you see me here just trying to get out all the air bubbles, and I didn't do so well. Like, there's like this one little portion, I think, on my iPad where an air bubble is still visible. But girl, yeah, you see me, I'm like really getting into it. I'm like really getting into it here. Trying to make sure that it's all good. But anyway, girl, I think I've said everything I need to say. If I need to say something else, I'll pop back in. I can't believe I've been talking for 5 minutes, girl. Oh, goodness. Anyway, girl, if I didn't say something else, I'm gonna pop in. And I know I keep saying girl, but if you're a guy and you sit here and listen to me, what's poppin', friend? I'm so sorry for calling you a girl. That's not your gender. Please forgive me. But anyway, I'll put some fly music so you guys can listen to and continue to listen to it. And again, I'll be back. I'll be back.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing pussy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wants mine when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. Just that roll myself a J and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. A young stunner, till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. A young stunner, till I die. I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? You're my baby, it's an action. These days, no MIA. Niggas be blasting. Living in the mix, though. This shit might drive you mad. Feeling pretty mixed up, but this life shit ain't all bad. Blood and murder, there ain't no second chances. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. A young stunner, till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. A young stunner, till I die. Drop the roof and let the smoke clear.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video and my random talking. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.